Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this, helping somebody with a logo, and I just want to make sure it's all, and it is, it's good to go. I'm pretty proud of her. She drew it in the center of the page. That's a big help, and here's why. Because now we can draw this. She wants this just an outline of this sun. So I'm going to go from the center. I'm going to hold down the Control and the Shift button while I'm moving my logo. I'm going to get my ellipse tool. Start draw. Okay, what I got to do is back up, go to Arrange, and lock that logo. That'll keep that logo from moving and interfering. And I'm just drawing from the center out, holding down the Control and the Shift. So it's not perfectly in the center, and we want it, and it might be a little bit too big. So let's hold down the Shift key and bring it in. And then hold down the Shift key again and just bring it out. That looks good enough for the video. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the rectangle, and this is kind of hard or misleading, or can't really see what's going on because it is blurry. But the way I did it, and it looks pretty good, I just drew some lines. Go past your circle. Control D and make a duplicate of those. Put them about right there. Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. Now we can unlock our logo. Grab our logo and let's just nudge it out of the way. Now what we need to do is fill in. She wants this in gray, but if you draw in a hairline, it actually works better for you. Let's turn these into black. Now let's take the virtual save and delete key and delete these lines. Just make sure you don't get part of your ellipse. And really and truly, you could probably get rid of this part of the ellipse, see if it'll let us, because that'll make it kind of look cooler. It's kind of hard to say misleading, you know, it's just not misleading, that's not the right terminology. Just blurry, you can't see it. Let's see if we can't just delete these lines and make it kind of, so it doesn't look like the sun all the way through them. So I'm going to do this a little bit different. I've already sent you the file, and I'll send you a second one, maybe make it better. Now we're going to make the sun look, we don't see its Pantone, so we want to go turn it to black, and it's a hairline. We don't want a hairline. We want to go to 0.75, I'm thinking, and scale with object. That looks pretty good, with the exception that our line now is thicker. So what you can do is grab it, break curve apart, and then all these little nodes you can just delete, because that's what happened because the line is thicker. So I'm going to save you this copy too. Then I would group this together, Control G, or I've got a hotkey just for G. And watch this, we can put it exactly where it belongs. So I don't know which one looks better. You might want to do your own. I'm going to Control G. Let's bring them side by side. Everything should be exactly the same with the exception of the sun. That's pretty cool how I did the first one. And that's pretty cool itself too. It just depends on your preference, but I'll send you both files. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.